We are so excited that you have partnered with us at Neal Smiles for your braces treatment. We are just going to have so much fun together, and it starts with your survival kit. Here are some things in your survival kit and how you can use them. First of all, you're going to see the braces care instructions. You can read this at your leisure and learn all about the different things that the foods to avoid, how to choose your foods, and what things you can do in order to keep your teeth nice and healthy during your braces treatment. Secondly, we have some comfort care instructions because unfortunately sometimes there are emergencies that will happen with your braces. And what we want to try to do is to keep you as comfortable as possible until we see you next. So here are some descriptions of the things that are in your mouth and how you can go about correcting things that may go wrong or that may break loose during your treatment. You can also always take a picture and text it to our office, and we can help give you some emergency instructions there to keep you comfortable. Okay, so for care-wise, you get this dandy little tooth care kit, and with it is some of the usual suspects that you will use, like a toothbrush and floss. The flossing becomes a little more difficult with braces, and what you are going to do is you are going to take the floss and you're going to take, these are called floss threaders, and you are going to put the floss in here like you would a needle, and then that goes underneath the wire, so then you can floss your teeth normally. And you'll have to do that between each of your teeth so that you can go in between all of your teeth that have braces. Also, we've got a travel toothbrush that you can use, and you can bring that to the office or home or on a sleepover or when you're traveling for work. And then here is the major one, which is orthodontic wax. There's a little secret. You could also use sugar-free gum in lieu of wax if you're having trouble with the wax sticking to your brackets. So you take a little piece of wax off, you're going to roll it between your fingers, get it nice and warm, dry the area off around the bracket that's poking you, and then you're going to put the wax in that area. If it's not working for you, then what you're going to want to do is to use some sugar-free gum in order to put it there, and that'll stick nicely on your tooth. We also have one of everybody's favorites, which are the Neal Smile mints to keep your breath nice and fresh. And that is your emergency kit. Hopefully you have downloaded the MyOrtho app to assist you in making your appointments and checking any other details about your treatment. We look forward to this journey and watching you create a beautiful smile.